An AI system from IIIT Hyderabad is now tracking trucks on Telangana's highways. The project, called Vahan Eye, is designed to read truck number plates even when they are hand painted and difficult to scan. The IIIT Hyderabad team says standard number plate systems often fail in Indian conditions, especially with commercial vehicles. Vahan Eye uses deep learning models to detect and identify trucks moving in and out of sand mining zones in Telangana. Cameras installed on highways run continuously and match vehicles against approved records. The team is also working with the police department to explore wider traffic monitoring, including identifying violations by two wheelers. The system is currently in pilot deployment.